Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna learn about Chinese personal pronouns. Chinese personal pronouns are the same with English. They are divided into two, singular and plural. Now let's start with the singular. In singular we have I, you, he, she, it. I is 我. You is 你. Or 您. The difference between ni and nin is ni is the informal and nin is the formal. So we use ni to talk to some our friends or someone younger than us. And we use nin when we talk to elders. Now he. He is 他. She is also 她. It is also 它. For these three, they are all pronounced the same way, 它, and the difference is the characters. And for these two, as we can see, the difference are this part. And we normally use this character for person-related words like 你 or 他. And we use this character for female-related words like she, mother, sister, etc. And Chinese personal pronouns can be used for both subject pronouns and object pronouns, and they don't change the form. For example, 我, I, 你, and 你, I, 我. 我爱你 means I love you, and 你爱我 means you love me. As we can see here, 我 as subject and 我 as object has the same character and the same form. And 你 as the subject and as an object is also the same form. So 我 also, not only means I but also means me, and 你 not only means you as the subject but also you as the object, and 他 also means him, 她 also means her, and 它 also means it as the object. Now let's move on to the plural. In plural, we have you, they, and we. And it's pretty easy for plural. We just need to add men after the singular form. So you is 你们, and they are 他们, 他们, and 他们. We use this when we talk about all female, all women, and we use this referring to objects, and we use this if we talk about they are all men or they are mixed between men and women. And we said it 我们 or 咱们. The difference between 我们 and 咱们 is 我们 can be used for both written language and spoken language, but 咱们 we use it normally only for spoken language. And the second difference is 我们 may or may not include the listener, but when we use 咱们, it always includes the listener. For example, there are 3 people, A, B, and C, and one day they were at a coffee shop together, and suddenly A said, 我们走吧. 走 means to go. 吧 is a particle which indicates suggestion. So the whole sentence means let's go. If A said 我们走吧, there are 3 possibilities. The first is A only talked to B and excluded C. So A and B left the coffee shop. The second possibility is A only talked to C and excluded B. So A and C left the coffee shop. The third is A talked to both B and C, and A, B, and C left the coffee shop. But how about if A said 咱们走吧, which also means let's go. If A said 咱们走吧, there's only gonna be one possibility, and it's already clear enough that A talked to both B and C and suggesting them, the 3 of them, A, B, and C, to left the coffee shop. So that's the difference between 我们 and 咱们. I hope it's clear enough for you guys to understand. But if you guys still have some questions about 我们 and 咱们, you guys can put them on the comment below. And I'll try my best to answer you guys. That's all for today, guys. I hope this video could help you understand Chinese personal pronouns better. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. 加油!